Good afternoon, sir. I am Gerard Lopez. Article 1. Time when the Act takes effect. So, that the RPC took effect on January 1, 1932. Example, if a crime was committed in December 1931, the RPC does not apply. Crimes after January 1, 1932 fall under the RPC. Article 2, application of the code. Article 2, application of the code. The RPC applies to crimes committed within Philippine territory and certain crimes committed outside the Philippines, like offenses of the Philippine ships, aircraft, forging Philippine currency. Example, Filipino on a Philippine registered ship commits theft while international waters, he can still be prosecuted under the RPC. Article 3, definition of felonies. Felonies are acts and omission punishable by law and can be committed and through, example, dolo, intentional. So dolo, intentional, like for example, like punching someone. Culpa, example of culpa is accidentally injuring someone because of reckless driving. Article 4, criminal liability. So a person is criminally liable even if the wrongful act differs from what was intended and an impossible crime was attempted. Impossible motive or means. Example, A should be but his C instead. A is still an example of impossible crime. I'm trying to steal from empty wallet you thought had money. Article 5, duty of the court in connection with the act which should be repressed by which court must be report cases when a law seems unjust or suggestive, executive clemency if the penalty seems excessive. Example, a judge thinks a penalty for a minor offense is too harsh. The judge informs the president through the DOJ. Article 6, consummated, frustrated, and attempted felonies. So, attempted begins the crime but does not perform all acts of execution. Frustrated performs all acts of execution but the crime is not produced. 3. Consummated, crime is fully executed. Example, killing. Attempted, A shoot B but misses. Frustrated, A shoot B in the heart, B survives due to timely medical help. Consummated, B dies. Article 7, late felonies. Late felonies are acts punishable by arresto minor, public censure, fine not exceeding 200 now adjusted. Example, slight physical injuries or petty theft of very small value.
Article 8, conspiracy and proposal. So ang conspiracy is ang duha ka tao is nagsabot nga mo-commit og crime la ngana. Ang proposal, when one person invites another to commit a crime, so nag-invite. So kuntay ako ako ra mangawat. So gusto na ko na ako ikauban. So gi-invite na ko sila mo kawat. Na treason or example treason or terrorism. Ang Article 9 classification of offenses. So natay tulo ana. Grave felonies, least grave felonies, and light felonies. So ang una na to ang grave felonies. Ang grave felonies kay punishable by capital punishment. Like mao ang reclusion perpetua, like taas kay na siya nga sentensya na imong gibuhat sa krimen. So like murder, rape, murder, rape mo na siyang reclusion perpetua or reclusion temporal. Ang least grave felonies kay kanang correctional. And ang light felonies like kanang siya kanang like fine, aresto minor. So tayo nakabuhat kag mga ginagmay nga sala, pwede ra kamo fine, mo bayad or makulong man ka pero makagawas din ka. Article 10, offenses not covered by RPC. If the crime is punishable by special law, the RPC applies only if the special law says. Article 11, justifying circumstances. So natay unom an.
So I'm Mark Neil P. Marces from Criminology Bravo, 3rd year. So Article 16, who are criminal liable, those who take part in the commission of felony, so which is principals, accomplice, and accessories. So take note, liability depends on the degree of participation. So Article 17, which is the principals. So we have three kinds of principal, which is those who directly participate in the execution of the crime, that is number 1, and number 2, those who force or induce others to commit it, and number 3, those who cooperate directly in the execution by another act. For example, the person who stabs the victim or the one who orders another to do it. So this is article number 18, accomplice. Person who knowing the criminal design cooperate in the execution by previous or simultaneous acts. They don't decide the crime but help doing it. So article number 19, accessories. Person who after the crime help the offender by number 1, profiting from the effects of the crime. Number 2, concealing or destroying the bodies of the crime. And number 3, harboring, concealing, or helping the principal escape. So their participation comes after the crime. So we have Article 20, accessories who are exempt. Relatives of the principal offender, like spouse, ascendants, descendants, siblings. Relatives by affinity within the same degree are exempt except when they profit from the crime or obstruct justice. So we have Article 21, which is the penalties that may be imposed. So this is the list of penalties, just like reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, prison mayor, prison correctional, arresto mayor, arresto minor, and fine. Penalties correspond to the gravity of the offense. So Article 22, retroactive effect of penal laws. Penal laws that are favorable to the accused are applied retroactively even if there is a final judgment unless the offender is a habitual criminal. So Article 23, the effect of pardon by the offended party. A pardon by the offended party does not extinguish criminal liability except in the cases of adultery, concubinage, seduction, abduction, act of lasciviousness, and defamation.
Article 24. Measures of prevention not considered penalties. Certain measures are not penalties, such as warning, deportation. Example, a foreigner being deported is not being punished but only removed. Article 25. penalties divided into two groups. Penalties are divided into capital or death, now abolished. Afflictive, correctional, light penalties. Example, reclusion temporal, afflictive penalty. Article 26. When a fine is afflictive, correctional, or light, it determines a fine in afflictive, correctional, or light based on the amount. Example, a very high fine may be afflictive.
Article 30. Prison correctional 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Article 31. Effects of perpetual or temporary special disqualification, deprivation of office, employment, profession, or calling. Article 32. Effects of perpetual or temporal special disqualification for the exercise of the right of sovereignty. Article 33. Effects of suspension from public office, profession, or calling, or the right of suffrage. Article 34. Civil interdiction, privation of parental authority, guardianship, and property management. Article 35. Effects of bond to keep the peace. Article 40. Death penalty, perpetual, absolute disqualification, and civil interdiction. Article 41. Reclusion perpetua and reclusion temporal. Civil interdiction and perpetual absolute disqualification. Article 42. Person Mayor, temporary absolute disqualification. Article 43. Prison correctional suspension from public office and profession. Article 44. Arresto suspension of right to hold office and sovereignty.
Article 46. Penalty to be imposed upon accomplice in consummated crime. Accomplice get 1 degree lower penalty than the principal. So, what is principal of the crime? Principal of the crime is the main person who committed the crime. Ang accomplice is someone who helps but it is not mastermind. So example is penalty for the principal. For example is penalty for the principal is reclusion temporal. So makuha lang sa compliance is prison mayor. So article 45, penalty to be imposed upon accessories to consummate of the crime. Accessories get penalties 2 degree lower than the principal. So what is accessories? Accessories sila to nagatabang sa kriminal na magtago pagkahuman sa crime na buhat sa kriminal. So article 48, penalty for the complex crime. Penalty for the complex is more serious than in the maximum period is complied. Example is robbery with homicide. So mag-focus lang sila sa homicide case. Mas takot o mas more serious ang robbery ay ang homicide. Article 49, penalty for the frustrated and attempted felonies is lower than depending on the stage. Frustrated crime penalty is 1 degree lower. Tapos attempted crime is 2 degree lower. So proceed na tayo. Article 45, penalty for the principals in frustrated felonies 1 degree lower than if the crime were consummated. Ahora to no. Article 51, penalty accomplice in the frustrated felonies 2 degree lower. 2 degree lower siya. So article 52, penalty to accessories in frustrated felonies 3 degree lower siya.
Article 53, accessories and consummated felonies. Accessories get a penalty 2 degrees lower than principal. Example, Commits homicide, B. Hides the weapon afterward, B. Accessory get 2 degree lower. Article 54. Accomplices and frustrated felonies. Accomplices get 2 degree lower than the principal penalty for frustrated crime. Example, A tries but failed to kill B. His lookout C accomplice get 2 degree lower. Article 55. Accessories and frustrated felonies. Accessories get 3 degrees lower than principal penalty for frustrated crime. Example, A tries to kill B but failed. D hides the weapon. D get the 3 degree lower. Article 56. Accomplices and attempted felonies. Accomplices get 2 degree lower than the penalty for attempted crime. Example, A attempt to stab B. C hold the tower open to help C get 2 degree lower. Article 57. Accessories and attempted felonies. Accessories get 3 degree lower than the penalty for attempted crimes. Example, A attempted to kill someone. D hides afterward. D gets 3 degree lower. Article 56. Additional penalty for certain accessories. If the accessories profits from concealed crime proceeds, they get extra penalties like fines or temporary banishment. Example, A steals a car, but B by it knowing it's stolen. B may face extra penalties. And the last one, Article 59, impossible crime. If a person tries to commit crime but it's impossible to accomplish because the mean of object is impossible. Example, A tries to poison B using sugar thinking it was a poison. That's all. Thank you.
We continue our discussion. In this discussion, we are talking about Article 63. Rules for indivisible penalties, which when the law gives 2 indivisible penalties, if aggravating percent apply to higher death and mitigating percent is applied to lower, if none apply to lower. Like for example, crime punishment, reclusion perpetua to death. If the offender surrender, mitigating apply to reclusion perpetua. Article 64. Rules for divisible penalties, which opposite to indivisible penalties. When the law prescribes a divisible penalties which has minimum, medium, maximum periods, and this article only mitigating apply to lower period, only aggravating apply to higher period, while both present, offset, or apply medium period. If non-present, apply to medium period. Like for example, penalty prison correctional. One mitigating give minimum period. In Article 65, we are talking about how to determine the period of divisible penalty. To determine the which specific period of medium, minimum, and maximum, it will applies the Article 64. Like for example, penalty is arresto mayor 1 to 6 months, while court selects period is 1 to 2 months or minimum period. In Article 66, it's talk about the maximum period of fine, which when a fine is maximum amount of offender's resources or financial capacity may be considered, it will apply for the example if max fine 5,000 pesos but the offender is very poor the court may be imposed smaller fine, which subputable because the offender is poor. In Article 67, penalty to be imposed when penalty prescribed is higher or lower degree. This article impose which the case are to be lower degree or higher degree. Like for example, if the penalty is 1 degree lower than prison correctional is needed, becomes arresto mayor. In Article 68, penalty for minors 15 to 18 years old, the penalty lowered by 1 degree, while 18 over 21, penalty lowered by 1 degree if they acted in complete discretion. Like for example, a 17 years old commits homicide, penalty is reduced by 1 degree. Article 69, penalty for attempted custodial crimes with incomplete justifying or exempting circumstances. These articles impose that penalties lowered by 1 or 2 degrees. Like for example, a person defends himself but uses more force than necessary. Incomplete self-defense penalty by lowered. In Article 70, successive service of sentence threefold rule. These articles multiply sentence are served one after another, but total service must be not exceed 3 times or length of most severe sentence and 40 years maximum. Like for example, 3 sentence of 30 years is equivalent to 90 years, but only 40 years maximum might be served. So the 50 years will be banished. Article 71, graduated scale of penalties. It provides the two chart used when rising or lowering penalties by degree. Like for example, 1 degree is higher than prison mayor is reclusion temporal. Preference of
Article 61, President term and qualification. Article 63, 64, President powers and duties. 65, President's power to appoint. And Article 66, President power to contract and guarantee begins. 67 and 68, and President power over foreign relation. Article 69, 70, President power as Commander-in-Chief. Article 71, President power of grant pardons. 72, President power to make appointment. President 73, Article 73 rather, President message to Congress. Article 74, President power to convene Congress. Article 75, Procedure veto power.
So good evening. Represent ko ang Revised Penal Code Article 76 to 90. So ang Article 76 is legal period duration of divisible penalties divided into three periods. For example, kaya minimum penalty, medium, and maximum. And Article 77, when the penalty is complex are composes to 3 district penalties. So na-combine na sila sa 3 districts of penalties. And Article 78, execution of sentence must comply strictly with the form of circumstance prescribed by the law. So ang sample ni the execution of the penalty must be strictly comply with the form of circumstance by the law. So sample ni dapat napalo jud ang execute sa sentence kung saan na kabutang sa law. And Article 79 is suspension of execution in sentence case of insanity. Sample ng insanity ng mga buang na ma-insane sila kalit. And Article 80, suspension of sentence of minor delinquents. So na paano siya sa mga minor, mga youthful offenders na suspension sila sa mga sentence or disable sila sa mga extinguish sila sa mga sentence. And Article 81 is the death. And Article 81 is the death penalty is now abolished under the RA 9346/2006 and RA 82 requires that the court notify the offenders of the execution of the death penalty. So sample ani dapat kung saang penalty sa offenders dapat notify jud sa court. Sample death penalty, kung kasuhan siya dito death penalty dapat makabalo ang offenders para kabalo siya at nga nasi kaso death penalty. And Article 83, suspension of execution of death penalty in case of a pregnant woman. Sampa ni dili siya mamove ang death sentence kung buntis siya misking after niya panganak. And ang Article 84 limits the number and the type of allowed witness of the execution. So, for example, sa Article 84 is limit kung ang offenders is nasa execution of sa iyang penalties na makatanaw allowed lang gamay ray allowed pili kasi ng mga types of people na victim sa offenders mga mo rin makita sa execution sa offender. And RA 85, suspension of in case of insanity pala. Article 86 is suspension of the execution of the penalty in case of illness. Example ng R86 is suspension of execution of penalty in case of illness. Kasi ng mga matatanda at may sakit na masuspend ilahang execution of penalties tungod sa ilang debate, pero continue gyapon pag maayo sila. Article 87 is distero. Sample ani kay distero is distero is sample move tana balik na tana sa R88 is imprisonment of 1 day to 30 days prison mayor. And ang last RA90 is the prescription of crime. So dagan na prescription of crime, pero ang pinakauna kay ang reclusion perpetua. reclusion perpetua is abot og hantod 20 years to 12 years. 12 years. Basta. Ano ang next is the reclusion temporal is 15 years ka makulong. So no, sa arresto mayor is 1 month, and the light felony is nasa mga 1 day. 1 day ba yun? 1 day, months. So that's all. Thank you.
Article 91 to 105 of the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines deal with extension of criminal liability and civil liability. Here's a brief overview. Extension of criminal liability. Articles 91, 105. Article 91, total extension of criminal liability lists the which criminal liability is extinguished, such as a death of accused, service of sentence, prescription of the crime, and pardon. Article number 2, number 92. Effect of pardon by the offended party. Explain how pardon by the offended party can extinguish criminal liability. Article 93, effect of marriage, discusses how marriage between the offender and the offended party can extinguish criminal liability. Article 94, prescription of crime, outlines and periods of prescription for different types of crime. Article 95, prescription of penalties, outline the periods of prescription of penalties. Article number 96, when and how penalties prescribed, explains when and how penalties prescribed. Article 97, effect of prescription of the crime, discusses the effect of prescription of the crime on criminal liability. Article 98, prescription of the penalty, explains how prescription of the penalty affects criminal liability. Article 99, effects of pardon, discusses the effect of pardon on criminal liability. Article 100, effect of amnesty, explains how amnesty affects criminal liability. Article 101 to 105, these articles further elaborate on the extension of criminal liability, including the effects of pardon, amnesty, and prescription. Key points. Death of the accused, criminal liability is extinguished upon the death of the accused. Service of sentence, criminal liability is extinguished upon the service of sentence. Prescription, crimes and penalties prescribed after certain periods extinguish criminal liability. Pardon by the offended party on the President can extinguish criminal liability. Amnesty can extinguish criminal liability and remove penalties. Do you want to elaborate? Thank you, sir. That's all. Thank you.